Watch this video and you'll sound as natural as a spinach and avocado oat milk smoothie.
English lessons.
In this video, I'm going to give you 3 different ways to sound friendlier and less robotic when you're responding to questions and comments in English. Let's go. I've never been to a robotics conference before. How about you, BC-Bot?
No, I have not been to a robotics conference before. I am quite nervous.
Okay. Anyway, I hope they give us a nice 3-course meal later on. I'm starving.
I also hope they offer us a nice 3-course lunch later on. I too am starving.
Why is she repeating everything I'm saying? And also, she doesn't even eat. My friend BC-Bot is sounding very robotic because she's repeating everything I say whenever I ask her a question or make a comment.
I did not know that I sound robotic repeating the whole verb phrase every time you make a comment or ask a question.
Number 1. We can sound more natural and friendly if we use auxiliary verbs. If we agree or we've had the same experience as the speaker, we can use the following formula. So, plus auxiliary verb, plus the subject. For example, I love robotics. So do I. Number 2, when the comment or question is negative and we want to agree with the speaker or say we've had the same experience, we can use the following formula. Neither nor plus auxiliary verb plus the subject. For example, I've never been to a robotics conference before.
Neither have I.
Yeah, that's great, BC-Bot. Number 3, what if we feel differently or we don't agree with the speaker? Well, we use the following formula. It's even easier. Subject plus auxiliary in either the positive or negative depending on what the speaker said before. For example, I like the food here. I don't. It's horrible. I don't like the food here. I do. It's delicious. So let's recap. Number 1, when we agree with the speaker's positive comment or question, we say so plus auxiliary plus the subject. So do I. Number 2, when we agree with the speaker's negative sentence or question, we say neither nor plus auxiliary plus the subject. Neither have I. And number 3, when we don't agree with the speaker, we say subject plus auxiliary. I do, I don't. Just remember, the auxiliary verb you use should match the tense the speaker uses. So if the speaker used the present perfect tense, the auxiliary verb that you need to use should be the verb have. So, shall we practice it? I'll ask BC-Bot a question and let's see if she can sound less robotic by using auxiliary verbs. Hey BC-Bot, I love swimming. How about you?
I don't. I like to stay nice and dry.
Nice. I don't like programming computers. What about you?
Oh, I do. Computers and I get on like a house on fire.
Nice. So you know I don't like programming computers, but I tell you what I am good at, and that's playing computer games.
So am I, Niraj.
She's just too good. Do you know what? I've had enough of this conference. I think it's time for a games break.
So do I.
Come on, BC-Bot, let's go. Do you reckon you can beat me? I don't think so.